How we doing, folks? It's Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you like what you're watching, folks, drop us a like. Well, right on. Today's truck is a 2006 GMC TopKick C7500. It's a 24-foot box truck with a ramp. Truck's been fully reconned. It's got 264,706 miles. I'll get you a nice full view of the driver's side here, and we'll go ahead and start off with the tires. Right on. This truck does have that Duramax diesel engine with the Cummins transmission. Folks really love these trucks because GMC or Chevy are just in general minimalistic, and they run strong. Simple and minimalistic. They run strong and long. So lots of folks really like these. You let me know what your opinion on these are in the comments below, though. All right, checking out the back side of things. Here's your ramp. These ramps are rated for about 1,000 pounds. And here is the interior. You do have kickboards, and then the wooden planks there for you to strap down anything you need. You do have dome lights on both sides, over here and over here. It's in great condition. Hold on, well, let's go ahead and move on to the passenger side over here. That is a roll-up door as well. It does have a 52-gallon diesel tank. Checking out the interior of this truck. It is nice and clean. Here's a good look at the seats for you. This truck has been detailed on the inside, the outside, and underneath the hood, keeping it nice, fresh, and new for you. Get your sun visors up there. There's really an art to GMCs. They're so nice and minimalistic. Some folks dig them, some folks don't. I sure do. Let's go ahead and start her up. Here's your 264,706 miles. No lights on the dash. Right on. Well, let's go ahead and check out that engine. All right, you've got a 7.8 liter Duramax inline 6 diesel engine. This is coupled with a Allison 6-speed 2200 highway transmission. All right, and that will wrap it up for today's 2006 GMC TopKick C7500. Did forget to mention this truck's GVWR is going to be 25,950 pounds. Right on. Well, if you'd like to find out more information just like that, you know where to go over to. The description down below, I'll have the link to our website where you can see the full listing, as well as the phone number where you can contact us for any questions. Right on. Well, you folks have a great rest of your day. Thank you for watching.